Thank you for choosing the Python Void Fill machine, PVFM EV1. This machine is a safe, efficient, and innovative solution to your void fill packaging needs. Start by connecting your power cord and flipping the main power switch to the on position. You'll see the indicator light turn on. If the machine doesn't respond, ensure the red emergency stop button is rotated to its released position. If you need to adjust the height before operation, rotate the adjustment knob counterclockwise to loosen. Set your desired working height, then tighten it clockwise to secure. When using folded paper, open the serrated guide. For honeycomb paper, keep it closed. Manually roll about 11 to 12 inches of paper into a strip and feed it into the inlet. While holding it there, press and hold the Start/Pause button until the paper is ejected from the outlet. For hands-free operations, you can use the included pedal switch, which functions exactly like the Start/Pause button. The control panel features two digital displays, one for length, in centimeters, and one for count or mode. The first mode, Auto Cut mode. For a specific number of pieces, long press Set for 3 seconds. Use the increase or decrease buttons to set your length from 20 to 200 centimeters. Press Set again to choose the quantity. For example, 30 pieces, and hit Start. Mode 2 is Continuous mode. For continuous output, follow the same steps, but set the count to 3 zeros on the display. The machine will run until you manually press the Start/Stop button. Mode 3, Cut and Hold. In Cut and Hold mode, set the quantity to 3 dashes. That's 1 decrement below 000. The machine will eject 1 piece and wait. Once you take that paper, it automatically prepares the next one for you. The foot pedal adds added functionality as well. For continuous, uninterrupted output no matter what mode, hold the foot pedal down for a long press when using. With its versatile modes and simple controls, the PVFM EV1 is ready to streamline your packaging process.